Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zombie piglin farm in Minecraft. First, gather your essential resources like obsidian for portals and plenty of cobblestone for the main structure. This farm is fantastic for collecting gold and gaining experience points quickly. We'll cover everything from portal construction to collection systems, ensuring you have a fully functional farm by the end. Let's dive into the steps. Next, let's focus on building the core spawning area. Start by constructing a massive nether portal frame. A size of 23 by 23 blocks works very well. Surround this portal with a sturdy platform where the zombie piglins will appear. Lighting the portal is crucial, as this activates the spawning mechanics. Remember, the bigger the portal, the more efficient your farm will be for generating resources.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. And speaking of keeping your car fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.